right, y'all. Before I forget, I found the pink tree at the Dollar Tree. This is the pink tree that everybody's talking about for Valentine's Day decorations. I found the pink Christmas tree, okay? I've been to like 3 Dollar Trees, and this one had it, but somebody had, and y'all please stop doing this. Whoever's doing this is freaking ridiculous. The whole box of pink trees, somebody done opened them all, ripped them open and opened them all. This was the only one that wasn't open. It is taped, but I hope that all the darn tree is there. Because I told y'all I wanted to start decorating for like seasons. I took my Christmas decorations down. I don't have anything on my decor table for January. So I guess I didn't think about, the table just looks so plain now that nothing's on it. I had all that Grinch stuff and all that stuff on it. Now it looks plain. So I got to think of something to have on there like in between time. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be looking for some things to just set up there in between time. But right now it's just plain. So y'all, Susan did it to me again, y'all. Did it to me again. I get up and go over there. Granted, I don't live around the corner anymore. I used to live around the corner from her. Now I'm like 20-25 minutes of, yeah, because I left my house at 9 o'clock and I still didn't get there till 9:32. I'm more than 20 minutes away from her in morning traffic. I get there and her husband's like, she didn't call you? No. Oh, she's sick. She's really... I said, listen, this is the second time y'all have done this. Why don't she have my number? Why don't she have my number? That's what I asked him. I said, I sign in when I come. Do y'all throw this in the garbage every day? Because even though I'm a regular, I still sign in when I come with my phone number. Plus, after the last time she did this crap and went on an emergency vacation trip, because that's what it was, an emergency vacation trip, I'm like, why don't she have put my... I said, she needs to put my number in her phone. Call her right now or give me her number if you don't want to give me her number. She needs to put my number in her phone. So he took my number. There's nobody to do me today. He don't do long nails. The other girl that do long nails is booked today. So I said, what about tomorrow? I will leave work early or whatever. There's nobody to do me tomorrow. So I was like, okay, tell her to text me or call me. So when I got in the car, I was so mad because it's no reason for her not to have her regulars information, okay? So the last time, y'all know I let it slide. I try not to be a stickler, but I don't play about my nails and my hair. My nails and my hair, my nails and my hair, okay? So I get in the car and I go to the Instagram. I'm figuring she's running the Instagram and she's home. Her husband's at work. She got to be running the Instagram. I go to her Instagram. There's, of course, you can message, but then it says text. So I message first and I say, Susan, this is Renee. Please, 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 please put my phone number in your phone. And I left my number. So then it says text. I didn't know who I was texting. I didn't even know you could text through Instagram, but I hit the text. I hit the text. It went over to my text messages with a phone number. I said, it's either going to be the shop or her. Okay? I text the number. Susan, this is Renee. Put my number in your phone. Please put my number in your phone. Please, 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 please. And I left my number. So she texts me back. Oh my God, Renee, I'm so sorry. I'm so sick. I don't care if you're sick. It's cool. But you could have texted me last night. She said she was in the hospital ER last night. Okay. Your husband could have went through your phone and texted me last night and stuff and let me know that you're going to be sick, you're going to be out. I know things happen. It's flu season. It's coming up. I know. My problem is I drove all the way over here. I need to get my nails done. I have a wake tomorrow and a funeral Saturday. I would have skipped the wake if you were going to be here tomorrow or somebody could do it tomorrow. But that's not. I didn't tell her all this. But I'm just telling y'all, like, dude. So I told her, I said, I really, really, really hope you feel better. But this is the second time. I am a regular customer. Please put my number in your phone. So I said, go ahead and put me down for 2 weeks out. I gave her the date. If you don't have anything. The reason I did that is to let her know I'm finna go somewhere else. I'm finna go somewhere else. But instead of going 3 weeks with this other person, because I know what happened the last time, schedule me for 2 weeks. I go to Julie. Julie was the last lady that I went to when she stood me up for my sister's wedding. Okay, Julie was the last lady that I went to. I didn't have an appointment or anything, so I was just crossing my fingers. However, Julie was booked. Julie was booked, so I'm like... So, I went to the place that I went to before. I don't know if y'all remember. I went to the place that I went to 3 years ago. I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. When I first came back, and there was a lady there that was doing long nails. I don't know if y'all remember, I told y'all about her, but I told y'all that she was complaining that they were getting too long. Excuse me. And I think I used to go to her on a Saturday morning. And I told y'all I didn't really like her attitude. She started acting like her, complaining that they was getting too long. And I felt kind of funny the last time I went to her, so I stopped going to her. That's when I found Susan. So I don't know if y'all remember, but I went back there. I'm like, last resort, I'm gonna have to go back to this lady. I went over there. I can never, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I cannot remember what that lady looked like. I know I think was the owner or the manager, and she sat at the front desk. I walked into the girl at the front desk. I said, hey, can I wait for a fill for you or whoever can do long nails? She was like, I'm booked today, but he can do it. She showed me a dude. I said, okay. I said, he's okay? Because they long. And she was like, he's good with long nails. He's never done that long before, but he's good with long nails. So let me show y'all the nails. I said, okay, well, to me, as long as he can do a fill, as long as he can do the bottom part, it is what it is. I said, I don't want no polish. I don't want him to do nothing special. I just want a fill. So he was like, okay, he'll do them. Okay. So I let him do them. He took his time. He took his time and did them. I was watching. He was a little nervous because I think he could tell my energy, and I think he could also tell my energy with me wanting them done correctly and stuff like that. I probably will just get 2 weeks out of what he did. I watched him. It looked like he sealed them pretty good. I'm going to go home and put some more sealant, like builder gel, around the cuticle area to make sure that the seal holds for 2 weeks until I can get back to Susan. I don't see why I wouldn't get 2 weeks out of them, but just in case, you know, because you never know people's work, and they can start lifting real early. So I'm going to go home and do them myself as far as what I normally do with the polish and everything. And I will come back to y'all and let y'all know. I feel like he did a good job, but I could tell he was nervous, so now I'm nervous. I needed them done. I'm pretty sure they will last at least 2 weeks. I'm going to go put my extra on top of it, like I said. I will probably carry my nail glue with me, you know, just in case. Just in case. I don't think I'm going to polish all the way to the bottom. It's because I can see. I like to see. I can see when it's not lasting. I can see when it's lifting or anything is going on. I don't want no lifting. I don't want no water underneath. So I'm not going to polish all the way to the bottom. I'm probably going to polish like a quarter of the way or halfway and do my designs and stuff so I can pay attention to it. And then if I see it's starting not to last and I need to go to Susan sooner, I will. I'm trying to think of what I want to do. I will. So I'm going to go home. I'm finding something to eat, go home, decorate them, and I will come back and show y'all what I did. Alright guys, I did one hand and the light's kind of off, so I will show you guys again towards the end. It's all glitters. It's just all marbleized glitters. And then on one hand, I did stones and those clear teddy bears, but you can't even see the clear teddy bears, so I'm going to have to put some polish on the clear teddy bears. because you can't see them. And I need to order some colored teddy bears. I should have used a darker color with the clear teddy bears because you can barely see them. But just letting y'all see me polish my nails. I mixed a whole bunch of glitter polishes. I was going to do each nail a different glitter polish, but then I just decided to just marble it out. Like marble out the glitter polishes. So I just wanted to come show y'all a clip of that. And Susan is going to be mad because I'm just now noticing that when the guy was drilling off my polish, he really drilled off some acrylic on the sides of some of these. She's definitely going to notice, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I notice it, and she's definitely going to notice it. That he drilled off a little bit too much trying to get the polish off. And it's more noticeable when I polish my nails than it was when they were naked. So she's going to have a little bit of work to do building these back out a little bit at the top. I don't know if he did that on purpose or if he was trying to get the polish off that I had on. Had I known I had to go to somebody else, I would have had my polish and stuff already taken off. But I am seeing now that he drilled off a little bit too much acrylic on some of the sides of some of them. So she's going to have a hissy fit, but oh well. You know, she should have told me what was going on and I could have just fought through it. You know, it is what it is. But here I'm just doing the marble to the nails. And I know it's kind of hard for y'all to see, but I just did a bunch of swirls in the glitter of the nails. And I will come back and show y'all it from a different angle. And hopefully you'll be able to really see what I did with the lighting and everything. And I will put some pictures on Instagram and my Facebook blog page so that you guys can see. It is January 6th. And these I will probably keep on until I go back to her. Hopefully, fingers crossed, on the 19th or the weekend of the 19th will be 2 weeks. And she's going to have a hissy fit. But it is what it is in these streets. Okay guys, so I am done with my nails. I did give you guys a little clip of me doing them. I know it was kind of hard for you guys to see because I used like a lot of lighter glitter colors. And then on the big nail, I used my teddy bears that I got from Temu. And I should have got colored bears. So I did put some polish on that bear. So if you were like near me, you will be able to see that it's a bear. And I did some stones, some diamonds, some swirls. And the other ones I just kind of left plain because I'm trying to get into using all of my little, what do you call these, like trinkets. I want to get more trinkets. I put 3. Here's a teddy bear, here's a teddy bear, and here's a teddy bear, and then some stones. So hopefully y'all can see. Like I said, I did put some polish on the bear's nose and on his like legs, so when people look at it coming in, they can see it is actually, like if you were standing in front of me and you wanted to see my nails, you would be able to see that it is actually a bear. The other ones, like I said, I kind of left plain because I'm trying to get used to it. But what I want to get into this year is using my trinkets on my nails. I want to use my trinkets on my nails. I also want to find, let me get some alcohol. They are still a little sticky. I'm also going to go on Amazon and get some no wipe, what's this stuff called? Top coat. I want to get some no wipe top coat. And I did use my polishes by Nail Addict. I mixed Nail Addict and Madam Glam. I used my polishes by them. So I'm going to contact one of them and see if any of them has a no wipe top coat. because see, even wiping this, now I'm getting cotton everywhere. Now I have to sit up and pull the cotton off of the trinkets, but let me just get it off my hands and my nails. I am going to contact one of them and see if they're doing like any Valentine's Day polishes or Easter, and if they have a no wipe top coat. So that's what I'm going to do. So just putting a little bit of more alcohol on here because my hands feel a little bit sticky. But here are the girls, and I hope you guys enjoyed them. I hope you like them. Next time, I think I'll do like one extra nail. I'm only going to have these on for 2 weeks because I told y'all what happened. And I'm going back to Susan in 2 weeks just to make sure I don't have any lifting or anything. So I think I can handle this for 2 weeks. I feel like I want to put more trinkets on another nail, but I think I'm going to kind of leave it, see how I feel. I may add more trinkets, and if I do, I will put it on Instagram. So you guys need to make sure that you are following me. Yeah. So like I said, I feel like he did a good job. I'm not 100% confident in the work he did. I'm not 100% confident, which is why I told Susan I will see her in 2 weeks instead of 3. All right. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think about the trinkets, and I'll see you guys next time.